ENLACE is a project that belongs to the FP7 of the European Union. The FP7, the seventh framework program of the European Union, is a major effort to promote and to stimulate science and technology in Europe. But it has been possible to establish links of cooperation between the European Union and many other regions of the world. One of those regions is Central America, the Central American countries. And in this effort, we have built a network that is working in order to promote the establishment of relationships in the field of science and technology between Central America and European countries. ENLACE has been working already for 1 year, and in all this time, this very short period of time, we have already been able to promote that members of our scientific communities participate in different European events related to food, to fisheries, to biotechnology, so that we hope that this kind of exchange of experiences can lead to the establishment of concrete scientific and academic linkages that could at the same time lead to promote very specific research projects. Central America is a very heterogeneous region, but I can say that we are in the process of building up our scientific and academic potential and capabilities. The University of Costa Rica is very proud of being one of the participants of this project. As a matter of fact, we are participating as a co-leader in this project, so that we co-coordinate the linkages and the relations between the participants of Central America and the European participants. One of the main goals and aims of this project is not only to be able to establish these linkages between Europe and Central America in the scientific field, but also to build the capacity of our scientific and academic institutions in order that they will be more capable of organizing scientific events, of promoting in the different countries scientific articles writing, fundraising, and other aspects that have to do with the promotion of scientific development. In this sense, also the University of Costa Rica being a very outstanding and foremostly a very dedicated university or institution to scientific research, we are putting in service of our Central American partners the capabilities that we have developed over the last decades. Our expertise and our experience is at the service of our Central American partners, so that this experience can also lead to, let's say, a further integration of the Central American countries in the field of scientific and academic cooperation. We are very lucky to have specific Central American institutions that have also a regional nature, just like the SUCA, which is the Central American University Council, and also the Central American Federation of Industrial Associations of Central America. In this case, we hope then that the results of ENLACE will be spread all over the region, and that these results will also at the same time will have some impact on the relationships between academia, governments, and what we call the external sector to universities. One of the main characteristics of ENLACE is that the participants come from academia, from government, and from the industrial sector. This so-called triple helix is going to be one of the main aspects that ENLACE is going to promote and try to improve the relationships between these different sectors. So ENLACE constitutes itself as a force, as a variable that is going not only to stimulate relation between regions, but at the same time is going to stimulate Central American integration. As we all know, we have signed, the Central American countries, we have signed an agreement with the European Union that encompasses very different dimensions, and one of the dimensions is the field of scientific cooperation, also cooperation in the field of politics and economics, but the scientific cooperation is supposed to be one of the main dimensions that are going to be enhanced in this cooperation. So that ENLACE constitutes itself as a very specific and very useful project in order to achieve this kind of goals.